Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net, covering lots of losses on October 12th, Friday, 12:27 a.m. First big story that happened, always, Bitcoin tumble as cryptocurrencies join global equity sell-off, again found on Bloomberg.com. Here's the charts where Bitcoin was thought to be a potential haven, but Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have been slammed after this big equity and global equity sell-off for the last few days. Next up is stock market drop spreads. Wall Street set to fall again. This is October 10th, as they predicted in this article, and this is found at seattletimes.com. It did pan out that the equity markets were pulverized today. Latest sneeze could morph into global market pandemic, and Europe got hit 1.8% on the CAC, DAX 1.6, FTSE for Britain 1.9, the Nikkei down 3.9 for Japan, Shanghai Composite Index down 5.2, Hang Seng 3.5, so on and so forth. So it is a global pandemic, you could say. Technology stocks took the brunt of the losses. Tencent, China's most valuable company, dropped 6.8%, and so on and so forth. Gold is the one that seems to be doing quite well in these questionable times, and it was predicted here at mining.com, and this was an article 6 days ago. Gold's bottom could be investors' lost treasure, which is true if you were anticipating these kind of losses. FTSE gold mines down relative to the market, so it's been clobbered down pretty hard on the FTSE, which is the British index, and the S&P index companies data through second quarter. Buybacks 48%, so that's what's pumping up the market, or has been. Total shares outstanding, SP consumer staples are plunging as the consumer will eventually slow down. That can be a hardest hit sector. So here you go on the domestic equity front, S&P economic sectors. Worst performing was the materials and financials and consumer staples. But the ones that did okay, and this is from the 21st to the 28th of September, what one did okay was S&P 500 telecom, healthcare, infotech, energy index, and consumer discretionary were all positive. And that's pretty well it. Oh, no, we got more. Treasury bond spread widening further to 285 basis points. And the underlying inflation gauge on the rise. So the inflation outlook looks like it could be starting to rise. One thing I like about this site, it's got these threats, so pretty good little site. Technical indicators show Bitcoin price could be going up, which we just said is wrong due to the RSI strength ratio and momentum. Pretty decent on the threats though. Brent oil futures, US dollars per barrel, it did reach and it fell. China region, blah, 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 blah. Percentage of Russians who say they trust the president is down for Russia, Putin. Okay, next we have the Epoch Times, the Epic Times, the EPOCH Times.com. Article headline is China to step up support to stabilize economy, trade war takes a toll. That was put out earlier today, and I think there's a lot to glean from this. Lagarde says of the IMF, China is trying to maintain growth and stability amid the trade conflict with the U.S., but it's a complicated balancing act. Treasury of the Yuan drew concern for the U.S. Treasury Department, warned not to engage in competitive devaluation, and noted the currency has fallen significantly this year. And it was as of today that the yuan was not deemed a currency or being manipulated by China. But there's all these articles here as well. So there you go. Hopefully I'll be up for the 12th of October. Later.